my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Nazma. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to do this Kylie Jenner inspired look. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So firstly I'm going to use a facial oil. So here I have used Purple's facial oil for prepping up my face. Next I'm going to apply a primer. Here I have used Wet n Wild's primer for filling up my pores and usually placing the primer onto my T-zone. So now I have used a color corrector from NY Base for color correcting my pigmentation. So now I will blend the color corrector with my fingers. So here I am kind of doing a reverse highlighting. So firstly I am going to use a concealer for highlighting my face. Above my concealer I am going to use a foundation for a better coverage and natural finish. So now I am blending the concealer with a buffing brush. So now I'm going to fill in my brows. Here I have used Music Flowers brow pomade for filling up my brows. So now after filling up my brows, I'm going to clean my brows using a concealer. Here I have used the same concealer from Wet n Wild, as Kylie has a sharp and crisp brows. So I'm going to clean my brows. And yes, while watching the video, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for further updates. So now I'm going to use a clear mascara from Wet n Wild for a fluffier and bushier brows. So Kylie has usually a more fluffy and thick brows, so I'm using a mascara for that look. So for foundation I have used Wet n Wild's foundation. So Kylie usually wears matte foundation, so this foundation also gives a matte look, so I have used this foundation. So after blending my foundation with the Damn Beauty blender, I am going to use two concealers for highlighting my under eyes, as Kylie usually has a more highlighting under eyes. So I am going to use two concealer, one from Wet n Wild and another from Maybelline. I will blend the concealer with the Damn Beauty blender. So basically I am highlighting the center of my face. So now I'm going to bake my under eyes using a loose powder from Maybelline. So next I'm going to cream contour my face. So here I have used NY Bay contour stick. So I have blended the cream contour with a buffing brush. Now with a small buffing brush I'm going to blend my nose contour. Here I have used the same concealer from Wet n Wild for a sharp and crisp contouring. Blending that concealer from a Damn Beauty blender. So here I have used a compact powder for setting my face, give some coverage to my face, and I have used a fluffy brush to remove the excess powder under my eyes. So now for setting my cream contour, I am going to bronze my face using a contouring palette from Wet n Wild. I am going to bronze my whole face. Now I'm going to use an angular brush for contouring my nose, and I'm going to drag the powder contour above my eyebrows, not above, to my eyebrows, so it will look kind of blended and not harsh. So next I'm using a loose powder from Maybelline for cleaning my nose contour and to make my nose look sharp. So now I'm going to use a blush from Wet n Wild in the shade Mellow Wine. So Kylie usually wears a lot of blush on the apples of her cheeks, so I'm going to apply a lot of blush. So now onto my eyes. So I have used a palette from Beauty Glaze. It's a Color Studio eyeshadow palette. So I have placed a hot pink eyeshadow onto my lids, and now I'm applying a light pink shade for further blending. So now I'm going to curl my lashes using a lash curler. I'm going to draw a wing eyeliner. I have used Lakme's Insta eyeliner. So I'm going to draw a wing eyeliner, and I will not draw the liner on the center of my lids. I will just draw a short wing eyeliner on the outer corners and the inner corners of my eyes. So now eyeliner is completed. I am going to use a mascara from Wet n Wild. So I will just coat my lashes on outward direction just to make my eyes look more foxy. So that's why I'm going to apply in that direction. So So for the fake lashes, I'm going to trim the lashes into two parts, and I'm gonna use just the outer corner of the fake lashes. Now I'm going to use a nude kajal for my waterline, and the kajal is from Wet n Wild. Now I'm going to use a highlighter from Maybelline. So I will just put a little bit of highlighter, as Kylie's face is usually matte, so I'm not going to place a lot of highlighter on my face. For my lips, I'm going to use Darling Isabella's liquid matte lipstick in the shade 17 and 8. So I don't have any nude pink shade, so I have mixed both the shade for my lip color. I'm going to blend both the colors with my finger. So now I'm going to clean the side of my lips for a nice and clean look. So now lips is completed, my whole face is now ready. So I'm going to set my face using a setting spray from Nicka K. So yes, this is the final look. I hope you guys will like it. So make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment. Until then, bye.